Hi everybody, Ramtik over here. Today I am going to teach you rotoscoping technique in Fusion. For that, what you need to do is rotoscope out footages in Fusion that are generally used for VFX and various other ways. So what you have is the software in your computer loaded, and before starting, just open up Fusion from your computer. So just open up, just spending time on it, just R&D, and moreover you will get many things in Fusion. It's a lost tricky software and not based software actually. And here you can cover most of the things: compositing, matte painting, and many things. So I have got the footage over here. Let's check it out first. I have got a footage over here. It is actually green screenshot, but how this will happen, I will actually be showing you how to rotoscope out various parts or the entire footage, how you can rotoscope out. The basic tutorials is on it. So let's start. So before starting, what you need to do is, you have a loader over here. You just drag it down and it will ask you to load footage. So just get the path of your footage and open it and just drag it to the left bar, and you will see the footage over here. And pressing F4, go to any part. Suppose you are in this part, just pressing F4, it will maximize. Similarly, I will maximize over here, and by pressing F4 again, you can maximize back. So now you just first, before starting rotoscoping, you need to know your footage settings. So just after dragging the footage over here, just go there, and it will show the footage resolution. So it's 1280 by 1080. So what you need to do is go to File menu, go to Preferences, and in Frame Format you have to give the resolution. So again, let me check it out. 1280, 1280, and height 1080, and just let's check it out. The aspect ratio is 1:1. You can check it out over here, pixel aspect. So it's fine, 1:1, and click on save. Now what you need to do is take a background over here and after selecting the background, you will find the other tools over here, and the alpha channel, just decrease it to 0. You will see over here, it will show. Now just take the output window and drag it to its output window. Actually I am saying about the footage. A merge node will come, and select the merge node, and do from tools, apply mode is multiply. Make sure you choose apply mode multiply. Now bring another merge and add it to here. You see add. And one thing you should not forget to do is right click, go to arrange tools, and to grid, so that it will arrange automatically. It will get arranged. Nothing you have to do. Just add a background again and select the background and bring it to the foreground node. Remember, the background first you have taken, it should come to the merge background, and the final merge, the entire thing will come to foreground, and the footage will come at the background of the final merge. Now just select the footage, hold down shift and bring it down to the timeline, and it will count how many frames it is off. Now what you need to do is start doing polys, just select a poly to wherever you are on the timeline, and if you create a poly, you see on the timeline the first key will be there only. So make sure you are on the perfect timeline. So what you need to do is, I'm on 0 and I'm taking a polygon from here and I'm adding it to background node, and just go to timeline and you will see, just bring down the controls and you will see that key has been added to the polygon, first key. From here you can start drawing a shape. So what I will draw is, let me check it out with the lips of the character. So I'm giving a point here, 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 here. Select the whole polygon and press down Shift S, which makes move to the polygon. And remember, from keyboard, plus and minus can be used for zoom in and zoom out to the particular area. So here I am adjusting the polygons, and if you want to break the keys, you can just hold down Ctrl and break it from here. Just look. And if you want to, again, suppose your polygon is breaked, and if you want to smooth it, select the key and just click it here, so it will smooth it out evenly. You can add points, but if you have this option on, it will never let you to add anything. And if it's on modify only, it will let you add. Now let's go back to the previous area and select the background, pick a color for it, suppose green, so that you can understand whether your polygon is drawn perfectly or not. Now drag this main footage to left side and the multiply footage to the right side, and it will show you actually if the polygon is drawn perfectly or not. Don't forget to switch off motion blur and auto proxy and turn on high quality, and just switch off from here, the main thing. Actually you won't need this thing, it will show you mainly the polygon line. You need the final thing to be shown over here. So it should be on over here at this window and not on in this window. Whatever changes you need to make, you should be sure that you should be making in the normal screen, not in the merge screen. This is the merge screen and this is the main footage. This is the normal screen where you will go on editing the polygon, not at this screen. And likewise you'll be watching the polygon over here, whether it is going with the character or the object or the subject, whatever, perfectly or not. The main thing what I'm showing you is the stereoscopic way of rotoscoping. Now one thing you can do is make layers, layering concept. What can be done? Suppose copy the background on the march, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and paste it over here. Change the background color so that you can understand. Otherwise the same color will not show you the real color. Just check. Now click one more polygon and add it to the background. I am doing on frame number 0 only. Now what you can do is draw the outer shape. Just look. Actually, rotoscoping is a bit boring thing, but still we need to do, because you can say it's as a backbone of VFX. Nowadays, various companies offer rotoscopy jobs for stereoscoping. This is the main thing for what I'm showing you, how to do a stereoscopic rotoscopy by giving a layer. See, this is the way of creating layer. So you need to remember how you will set your layer. You have your face layer over here. You have your nose, eyes, lips over here. Likewise, you know your face is at the back. So you need to show up the eyes, nose and lips part. So it can be shown in this node only, because it will come at front. And likewise, if you want to do the neck part, you just add up one more node. Change the color, slight change in color, attach a polygon, and what you can do is, but actually I'm showing you the garbage concept. Select the three things and you will know where it is. What you can do is draw the collar first and later on garbage the thing out. This is the one concept, and the other concept is you can precisely draw the neck. So let me draw precisely first. Let me show you the garbage concept. This is garbage concept. I have randomizely drawn the polygons over here because I will garbage it out with the here. So I have to not worry about, because there I will draw the here. After completing, you should be selecting the whole polygon by clicking on this button and just click on smooth or shift S from your keyboard. Just adjust the thing properly.